Good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss about formal printed invitations. In previous class that we have also discussed some major facts and points about invitation writings. In today's class that we will discuss about formal printed invitation with example. For example, you are Deepak Kumar living at B52 Govindnagar, Gurugram. You want to invite your friends and relatives for the wedding of your son Mohit. Draft, in other words, prepare draft and draft an invitation in 50 words to invite them. In other words, that there may be some different words that may be write a formal printed invitation to invite your friends, your relatives. Again, now we will discuss about the outline. This is also most important. If you are able to understand these lines, that this will be easy to attempt the answer. You are Deepak Kumar, living at B52, Govindnagar, Gurugram. You want to invite your friends, acquaintances, relatives for the wedding of your son Mohit. Draft an invitation in 50 words to invite them. Now we also attempt this question. Mr. Deepak Kumar and Mrs. Deepa Kumar. In other way, that you also can write Mrs. Deepa Kumar and Deepak Kumar. That you also can change in a different way. Mr. Deepak Kumar and Mrs. Deepa Kumar. Request the pleasure of your beaming presence on the auspicious occasion of the wedding of their son. Then there will be name. The name that's also written in the outline, and maybe there also no any name that you also can suppose of any name. That name is Mohit. Mohit, then Veds, Mahima, daughter of Mrs. Aruna and Mr. Amit Kumar. In this way, and one more thing, that you also write all these things in the outlines in the box, and you just mind that you also there no will be no any particularly punctuation reforms, that there will be no any full stop, and that you also use different fonts, in different fonts that words to be written. The first line that also written in a that average to big words, that they also write in the formal way as you write. After that you also write in the different ways, and in starting that you also write Deepa Kumar and Deepak Kumar, that you also exchange these. This will be same in every, that you also write in other words, that you also write request the pleasure of your company, of your company on the auspicious occasion of the wedding of their son Mohit, weds ya with Mahima. In this way that you also can write. Remaining of it that we also just explain. After that, we also give the particular date of the program, that you are going to invite your friends, your relatives for this program. First, you also given the name of the person that who is going to invite you. After that, the name of the son, maybe daughter. After that, to whom that his son will be married. And after that, you also give the name of the parents that of the girl. After that, date on 25th June 2021 at Hyatt Hotel, Ring Road, New Delhi. After that, you also give the information of the program, that also you make a box program, that you also 7 p.m. Bharat reception, and many more things that also relevance to, that may be dinner. After that, in the left side, you also write down RSVP. RSVP means this is also a phrase. It means respond versus please. In explanation that we can write respond if please, and on the second side best compliments from. You also just mark, and in this way that you also write Mr. Mrs. and Mr. Deepak Kumar, and entire content will be written in the box, that you also close all the particulars in this way. This is the actual format of printed formal invitation. You again see all these things very carefully, and you just see every point, try to understand them. That's all in this. Thanks and have a nice day.